Tired of seeing stories almost full notification on WhatsApp? Let me show you how to clear up that clutter fast and free up tons of space. Stick around for a step-by-step guide to make your phone run smoother than ever. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to clear WhatsApp storage space. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by opening WhatsApp on your Android phone. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. Now head to the Storage and Data. This is where you will find detailed information on how much space WhatsApp is using. Select Manage Storage. Here you will see a list of all your chats and how much storage each one is consuming. It's a great way to identify which chats are using the most space. Did you know that photos and videos can take up the most space? Tap on any chat to see a list of all the media files shared in that conversation, photos, videos, and documents. You can delete individual files or select all. Now tap on the delete icon at the top right. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the delete. So this is how to clear WhatsApp storage space. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.